Hello my dear student, welcome to my channel. Here Mr. Adi. Today I am going to start the SimNet project. So if you want to get 100% grade in this assignment, you must follow this video step by step and you will get 100% grade in this project. If you want me to do this project, I will do this just in 30 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MATLAB, Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also. And I will help you in your other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java and other courses also. We are a complete team, that's why we are providing help related to all online courses and we have a guaranteed that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. If you will refer other student, we will charge very reasonable price and we will give you a big discount also. Let's start this assignment. The name of this chapter is, so first we will highlight this X, and the name of this chapter is Excel 221 in practice chapter 7 advanced project 7 to 7. Advanced project 7 to 7. So these are the skills which we will cover in this video. Insert the list box from control. Use contact and index to display data from the list box control. Insert the checkbox from control. Remove the logged property. Create and display a note. So these are the main steps and almost like 10 steps are given to perform this project and final figures are also given. In 10 steps, 6 steps are the main steps and we will solve these. So step number 1. Our step number 1 is open the Animal Life 07 start file and click the enable build editing button. So basically in this point it says that when you will open your answer file, you will see here enable editing. When you will see here enable editing, you will click at enable editing. After clicking the enable editing, your document will be enabled. I have already enabled this document. So next is the file will be renamed automatically, include your name. So basically in this point it says that you don't have to save the file with your name because the program will add your name automatically. So don't save the file with your name. So step number 1 is done. Now step number 2. Our step number 2 is insert the list box, display date information, place a checkbox control. So step number 2 as like almost 10 to 12 part. Now I'm going to do part A. Our part A display the grid line. So go to answer sheet and then SESFP worksheet. We will go to view tab and just click that grid lines. Okay, so just check here when I'm going to checkbox 6, grid lines are shown here. So part A is done. Now part B. Part B is remove the log property from cell E3. So basically in part B it says that remove the log property from cell E3. So go to answer sheet and just click here in E3, right click and just click here at format cells, and in format cells we will just click here at protection tab and unbox this block cell and just click here at OK. So our cell E3 is unlocked now. So part B is done now. Part B is draw list box control to cover cells E3 up to E4. So we'll go here in answer sheet and then go to developer tab. In developer tab in control gallery, we'll just click at insert and we'll insert the list box from control, this one. Okay, and we will insert the list box control in cell E3 up to E4. Okay, we will center this. Okay, so part C is done. Now part D. Our part D is Format the control to have 3D shading and to display the years on the list worksheet in cell E3. So basically in part D, we will go to this form control and just right click, and after this we will click that format control, and in format control we will go to control and we will put the data here. We will take the range and display the years. So we will take the range of year in list worksheet. So just click here in input range and go to list worksheet, and we will take the range of years A11 up to A14, and just click here in cell link. So we'll take the link cell E3, just right here E3, and click the enable, and next is 3D shading. So format the control to have 3D shading. So we will checkbox this 3D shading. After this we will click that OK. So just check here, years are shown now in this list box. So part D is done now. Part E is turn off the logged property for the control. So we will turn off the logged property. So right click again, form control and protection, and we will unbox this. Okay, and click that OK. So part E is done now. Part F. Part F is select 222 in the list form in the list box control. So we will select the 222 here in the list box control. We will select this. Okay, I have select the 222. That's why here scene 2. Just check here. Okay. So part F is done now. Part G. Our part G is start a content function in cell A4. The function should display year and December 31. Okay. Okay, so just check here. Start a contact function in cell A4. The function should display year and end December 31, followed by the year that is selected in the list box control. Nested index function will be linked cell. Okay, so we will just click here in cell A4 and we will insert the contact function and index function. Contact function and index function. So we'll insert the two function in this cell. So is equal to contact function. Double click at this function. So this function is open now. Just click at insert function. So we will take the range. We will take the name. This one. So the function should display year and December 31. Copy this and go to answer sheet and paste this text here. Press enter. And next we will insert the index function. Index function is equal to bracket, and we will take the range for index function. It's already mentioned that is selected followed by the year that is selected in the list box control nested index function with the linked cell. So basically in this paragraph it says that take the range which you have already taken for form control. So I have inserted the form control and I have taken the range for form control from list worksheet. Okay, so we will take the range A11 up to A14. So we will take the range for years and comma, and we will take the link cell E3. T3. After this, bracket close, and we will just click that OK. So just check here in cell A4, we have inserted the two function, contact function and index function. And in contact function, we have just taken the text. It's already mentioned in this instruction file, and an index function. It's already mentioned also that take the function in the list box control you have already inserted. So I have inserted the already taken the range for form control from list range. Okay. So part G is done. Now part F. Our part F is format cells A4 up to B4 as bold and italic, merge and center. So we will copy this range, go to answer sheet, paste this range here, press enter. So this range is selected. Now after selected the range, we will bold and italic this. Go to home tab and just click at bold and also click at italic. And next is merge and center. So we'll merge and center this. Go to alignment gallery and just click at merge and center arrow and we'll apply the merge and center. So part H is also done now. Part I. Part I is place a checkbox form control to the right of the word audit in row 23. So basically in part I it says that insert a form control in row 23. So go to row in audit. In front of audit text we will insert the form control in B23. So just click here in B23, then go to developer tab and control query will just click at insert and we will insert the form button. Which one? Form control. And we will insert the button here. Cancel this. Okay. So part I is done. Now part B. Part J. Or part J is remove the label with the checkbox control and position it to appear centered in cell B3. So basically in part J it says that delete the label checkbox which this one button 2. So we'll delete this text and after deleting this text we will center this button. So first we will delete this text. Press delete from your keyboard. So this text is deleted now. So we will center this button now. Okay. And next is part K. Part K is format the checkbox to include 3D shading and remove the logged property. So we will just click here at this button and right click and go to format control. In format control we will unbox this check log. We will unbox this log and also we will just click at print object and just click at OK. So step number 2 is completely done. Now step number 3. In step number 3, remove simple data, unlock cells and set a print. So step number 3 has almost 5 parts: part A, B, C, D and E. Now I'm going to do part A. Our part A is select and delete the content of cells B7 up to B11 and B15 up to B70. So basically in step number 3 in part A, we will select this range. After selected this range, we will delete the content in this range. So first we will select this range B7 up to B11, B7 up to B11, B7 up to B11, and second range is B15 up to B17. Press Ctrl from your keyboard and select the second range is B15 up to B17. Then go to Home tab and in Editing Gallery we will just click at clear and we will just click after clear we will click at clear content. Okay. So part A is done. Now part B. Our part B is remove the logged property from these same cells. So we will log the property from this same cell. So we will remove the log property. So still selected and then right click here. Just click at format cells and we will unbox this checkbox. Okay, after this we will click right OK. So part B is also done. Now part D. Part C is select cells B7, B12, B15, B18 and B20. After selected this cell, we will apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places. This will add a currency symbol. So basically in part C, first we will select the cell. After selecting this cell, we will apply the accounting number with 0 decimal places. So go to answer sheet and we will select the cell B7, B12. So unselect this cell and just select the B7. Press Ctrl from your keyboard and then select the B12 and next is B18, B15, B18, B15, B18 and next is B20. Drag this down and press Ctrl and then B20. So I have selected this cell. After selected this cell, we will go to Home tab and just click that accounting number, and we will also just click that degree decimal. Okay. So part C is also done. Now part D. Our part D is click the name box, type A1 up to B23 and press enter. So we'll copy this range. Control C. Go to Home tab and paste this range here in the name box and press enter. So this range is selected now. Press enter. Yes. And part D is done. Now part E. Part E is set this range as a print area. So this range is already selected. So we'll select this range as a print area. So go to insert page. So go to page layout tab, then go in page setup gallery. We will just click that print area, and in print area we will just set the print area. Just click that set print area. So part is also done now. So step number 4. Now step number 4 is create and display a note. So step number 4 is almost 4 part A, B, C and D. Now I am going to do part A. Part A is select cell D1. So go to answer sheet and we will select the cell D1. Part B. Now part B is create a note review tab that displays choose the year from the list. The list box is not included in the print area. So basically in part B, we will create a note. So go to answer sheet. So cell D1 is already selected, and then go to review tab and new in notes gallery we will just click that notes, and after this we will click that new note. So we will copy this text, Control C, and paste this text here, Control V. Part B is done. Now part C. Part C is select cell B7. So we will select the cell B7, and next is part D. Part D is show notes on the sheet review tab. So we will show the notes which I have already inserted or created. So go to again review tab and then just click that notes, and we will just click that show all notes. So this notes is shown now which I have already created now. So part D is done now. Step number 4 is done now. I have done almost 50 to 60% of this assignment. So if you want to get complete assignment, I will do this just in 30 minutes and will give you A+ grade in this assignment. Just check here this final figure, and my answer is totally same. Just check here. So if you want to get complete assignment, I will do this just in 30 minutes and will give you A+ grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MATLAB, Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also, and I will help you in your other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java and other courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses, and we have guaranteed that we will provide A+ grade in your all classes. Thank you for watching this complete video. Please subscribe this channel for upcoming assignments. Once again, thank you.